Hi everyone, welcome to week 3 of Chemistry and Society at Rock Valley College. Let's take a look at what we've got on our plates this week. I realize today, the day I'm creating this and posting it, is Labor Day, so you may not be checking in today, and that's just fine. I hope you had a great 3-day weekend. And actually, before we get started, just a reminder, you're responsible for the information that's shared in this class. So for instance, last week, week 2, I had a video that you were responsible for watching and knowing the information that was contained within it. When you watch this video, week 3 will be up here, but just a reminder, you can always go back to the announcements and take a look at any previous announcements. Okay, let's take a look at our modules. So we've finished that, and we've finished week 1, and now week 2. Well, did you do all your work? If not, check out my late work policy on the course syllabus. Several things are accepted late, such as the movie. If you didn't watch the movie and write your paper about the movie, it's accepted late, but check out the penalty points. It's 1 point per day it's late, and it's only worth 5 points. So after 5 days, it's not worth anything. And then we had our second lab safety, where you were to work through how you can perform safely in your own home, since we're working from home on these labs. And then also you were to upload a picture of yourself standing in the area where you plan to do the labs. And you were supposed to be in the video, or the picture, either one, with a sign, and that's what was required for week 2. As a reminder, it always shows what's required within your picture. It's on the syllabus, and it's right here, okay? And it's right here. So let's go back to week 3. Here's where we are this week. So let's take a look at start here, what we've got going on. So actually we have our first exam at the end of this week. So you don't have any new chapter material. The exam, which is due by Sunday night, covers chapters 1 and 2, what we've done in the previous 2 weeks. So you need to review for that. You've got 1 lab to do, so it's a relatively short week. Week 3 has Lab 3, Carbon Footprint and Sustainable Living. I will warn you, this lab requires you to do some work in terms of several days worth of garbage. In fact, let me log in and I will show you. Remember, you can always check out labs and how much time they're going to take. Give me a second here to get in. And when we find the lab, remember, they're not always in order. So when you find the lab that we're doing, so notice right here for week 3, lab 3, your experimentation, you actually need 5 days of recording data and collecting trash. You'll see when you take a look at this. So do not wait until the last minute, or you're going to be late or not have it completed and not earn full credit. So it's not a lot of work to do for 5 days. It may sound terrible with 5 days, but it really isn't. Just make sure you're not putting it off. And that's what we've got. Now, in terms of requirements for your picture, some of you were struggling with not having the right information or things in the picture. So number 1 is that PDF, which almost all of you have got figured out now, that the lab gives you, the HOL, hands-on learning, gives you when you finish. You get that PDF file. And then the second attachment needs to be a single picture, that means 1, that has a sign with your name, date, and the lab name, or number is fine. And then you need to be in the picture this week again. Sometimes I like to see you. And you need to be holding the trash that you've collected over the 5 days. Again, if anything's missing, you're not going to get credit. So it's a simple requirement. Just make sure that you are watching these videos, reading the syllabus, or reading the Dropbox. And when you're ready, you just click submit. And you guys, that is it. It's kind of, again, a short week. I know it's a holiday week. And then I know classes are off Tuesday for you, although the college is open and faculty will be around. But I hope you had a great long weekend, and I'll talk to you again next Monday.